Hello everyone and welcome back to Ms. V English channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
It really is. How are you, David?
I'm good, thank you. I am awake.
Awake. That is a good start.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I'm ready. How are you, Emma?
I'm great. I'm very happy today. I had a good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning is very important.
It is. And that is our topic today. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines.
Ah, daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day.
Yes, we do. We all do things every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds very interesting.
Sometimes people think routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting.
I agree. And it's perfect for English practice. We use simple words to talk about our day.
Exactly. But before we start talking about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you're listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you're new, welcome. Please subscribe to Ms. V English channel.
It helps us so much. And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Emma.
Yes, David?
Daily life. Let's start at the beginning. The morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like the morning, Emma?
I am not a morning person, not at all.
Oh, really? I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow. For me, the morning is difficult. The alarm clock.
Ah, yes, the alarm clock.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music, soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and think, oh no, already.
And do you get up?
Number 1, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes. 5 more minutes.
But is it 5 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Oh, Emma. So when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it's very late and I jump out of bed. I'm late.
That is very funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow, why?
I love the quiet. The house is quiet, no cars, no noise, just me.
And what do you do?
The first and most important thing is coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee. Me too. I run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, Emma?
I like it with a little hot milk. Very warm and nice.
I like mine strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee and look at my phone.
Oh, no, not the phone.
Yes, the news, emails.
See, I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee, just thinking, very calm.
Maybe I should try that.
It's very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is fast for me because I'm late. I eat toast, just toast with butter or maybe a banana.
That is fast. I like a good breakfast. Yogurt with fruit or sometimes eggs.
Eggs. David, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early.
True. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, I take a shower. A very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower helps with waking up.
And then the difficult part,
What?
choosing clothes.
Oh, yes, I look in my closet. Many clothes, shirts, pants, dresses. And I always think, I have nothing to wear.
Yes, I know that, Fee.
It is silly. So many clothes.
My system is easy.
What is your system?
I only have blue shirts.
No, really.
Yes, blue, white, gray. Very simple. I grab one. Done.
That is very smart.
Easy, no thinking. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt. I finally find a dress. And then work.
Yes, time to go to work. Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
The bus, is it good?
It is okay. Very crowded. Many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me neither. But I listen to music. Headphones on. Music. Sometimes a podcast.
A podcast, good podcast,
Yes. Sometimes I listen to Miss V English channel.
good choice. What about you?
I drive my car.
Nice.
It is, but the traffic is not nice. Many cars, very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
That is boring.
It is. I listen to loud music.
Okay, so we arrive at work,
Yes, what is your work day like? Busy?
always busy. First thing, more coffee, and
Of course.
I turn on my computer, and oh, so many emails.
Ah, yes, emails.
I read emails, write emails, then meetings.
Like your meeting about the big report.
Yes, that meeting. Talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people, help people. I like my job. But yes, many emails.
Lunch is my favorite part.
Mine too. Food.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Yes, I make a salad or a sandwich.
Wow, Emma. Eggs, a sandwich. You make everything.
It's easy and cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
True, I'm not organized, so I buy lunch. A sandwich from a small cafe.
Is it good?
Very good. And I like to walk 10 minutes. Get out of the office.
That is important. And in the afternoon, I get sleepy.
Yes. Around 3 p.m. Exactly.
My eyes are closing.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes, or tea, green tea.
Green tea is good. I eat a snack. An apple.
An apple. Very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too. Okay, 5 p.m. Work is finished.
Yes, the best time. I go home on the bus again. I'm tired. I look out the window.
I go home in my car. Traffic is bad again.
Oh no.
But I'm happy I'm going home.
Yes, home is the best. What's the first thing you do?
Good question. I put down my keys, my bag, and say hello to my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, Max. He is very happy. He jumps and barks.
That is sweet. I say hello to my cat.
You have a cat?
Yes, Bella.
Is she happy to see you?
She is a cat.
Ah, I see.
She looks at me and says, meow.
Meaning, hello. Now feed me.
Yes, cats are the boss.
Bella is the boss of my house.
After you say hello to pets, what next?
I change my clothes. Very important.
Oh, yes, I take off my work clothes and put on comfortable clothes.
Same. Not pajamas yet, just a t-shirt.
It feels so good. And then dinner time.
I'm usually hungry. Do you cook?
I do. I like cooking. It's relaxing.
Really? Cooking is stressful for me. I'm a bad cook.
Oh no,
I burn things. Chicken, rice. I think I burned water once.
how do you burn water?
I forgot it. All the water was gone.
Oh my goodness. What do you eat?
Simple food. Pasta with tomato sauce. Eggs.
Eggs again.
Eggs are easy. Or I order food. Pizza.
Pizza is great. I cook soup or pasta. I cut vegetables, listen to music.
That sounds delicious. You're a good cook.
Just simple food. After dinner, around 7 p.m.
I clean the kitchen and then sit on my big red sofa.
Ah, the sofa.
Yes, and Bella sits with me, on me, and sleeps.
That is sweet. Do you sleep too?
Not yet. I watch TV. Funny movies. I need to laugh.
Laughing is good. I watch TV sometimes or read a book.
What books?
I like stories. And then I walk my dog, Max.
At night?
Yes, it's quiet. I look at the stars.
That sounds lovely. My cat does not like walks.
No, I don't think so.
After your walk, bedtime?
Yes, early. I'm a morning person, remember? I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Wow, that's early.
I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, read for 10 minutes, then asleep.
Wonderful. You get a lot of sleep. I do not.
What time do you sleep?
11:30, maybe midnight.
Midnight, David.
I know. I watch one more movie, read something on the internet, and in the morning I'm tired.
A big circle.
Yes, your routine is organized. Mine is funny.
We talked about our whole day.
Yes, from the alarm clock to pajamas.
It was so nice to hear about your day, David.
And yours, and Max and Bella.
Yes, well, that is all the time we have for today.
Wow, time flies. Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you like talking about daily life. And please don't forget to subscribe to Ms. V English channel and give this episode a like and share it with your friends.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
In the comments, tell us, are you a morning person like Emma or an evening person like David?
We would love to read your answers.
Okay, see you next time, David.
Bye, Emma. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.